Look at question 24. Here's the function. The polynomial is 2x to the power 4 minus 7x cubed minus 2x squared plus 13x plus k, where k is a constant. The polynomial, the function, is divisible by the divisor x plus 1. If it is divisible, it means that x plus 1 is simply a factor. But it just doesn't tell you that it is a factor. It is in the word indivisible. Find the value of k and the quotient when the function is divided by this. This is the factor. Okay, so we are trying to find k. Using our factor theorem, we know that if we have the function, the factor plus the times the quotients, will have the remainder 0. So we are going to put the x equals to a value so that these things will be 0. So we will put x equals to -1, and it will be -1 plus 1, it becomes 0. So that I have f -1 equals to 0. We are going to input this new input into the x value in our function so that we can find k. Okay, do it carefully. The input is -1. Okay, so we have 2 and it is found k is 6. Alright, put the 6 back into the polynomial so that we can factorize the function with our factor. Okay, so we write the function. It will be very long. Okay, this is our function. Part A is done. Okay, part B, we have to factorize it by long division. So do it carefully. The dividend inside divided by the factor x plus 1. Okay, let's carry this out one by one. 2x cubed times x, 2x to the power 4 plus 2x cubed. Okay, -7 minus 2. Copy down all of the remaining one. Okay, so x -9x squared multiply x will be -9x cubed minus 9x squared. Okay, -2 minus -9, it will be 7x squared. Getting there. 7x times x, 7x squared plus 7x, 6x plus 6. Okay, so 6 times x plus 6. See, the remainder must be 0 because it is divisible. It is a factor. Alright, so just rewrite in factor form. The function in factor form will be x plus 1 times the quotient 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 7x plus 6. Okay, so these two are factor form, but this one, I don't think this is finished yet because you can still factorize the quotient into factors. how are you going to carry this? Okay, I want to factorize this polynomial, but I don't want to spend too much time, so I'm going to use my calculator and use my program stored inside the calculator already. A will be the first coefficient of x cubed, B is -9, C is 7, D is 6. Okay, so I'm going to have the calculator give me the x will be 3, 2, or half. So in this cheating method, I can write my 3 roots out from the calculator answer, which are x minus 3, x minus 2, and 2x plus 1. And this is the completed factorization of the function. Okay.